Welcome to Angie's Garage.
And what are we going to be doing today, Andrew?
We're going to be going to Ông Noit's shop to check out the updates of the Chevelle SS.
Awesome. Well, we'll see you at the garage.
Today we're going to be having special machines to remove all the rust from the Chevelle.
Okay, well let's have a look around the body. What's happening with the 69 Chevelle SS?
It looks like he's repaired the C-pillar.
And what's the C-pillar?
This is the C-pillar right here.
And what has he done since?
He's reinstalled the rear quarter panel. Next, Ông Nội is going to be installing the driver's side rear quarter panel. So Ông Nội, what do you have to do to install the rear quarter panel?
Ông Nội line up rồi trăng lên. Line up rồi trăng lên. After that, ông Nội quẹo cái này.
Okay.
What are you marking up, Ông Nội? Is that what you have to cut?
Yeah, cut it off, and put it down, and weld it on.
What's that green tape?
She's working off the excess material so we can cut it.
Okay, so he needs to cut it off to actually fit the quarter panel on before he can actually weld it in place.
Yes. So now I'm going to cutting off the rear quarter panel for a perfect fit. To cut off the excess material for a perfect fit.
Okay, and then he'll have to, I guess, do another fitting, and hopefully it fits better this time.
Hopefully.
Still not a perfect fit. You have to cut some more.
More.